Now exercise 9.1 question number 8. A statue 1.6 meter tall stands on the top of a pedestal. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of the statue is 60 degree, and from the same point the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal is 45 degree. Find the height of the pedestal. A statue 1.6 meter tall stands on the top of a pedestal, and the angle of elevation from a point on the ground to the top of the statue is 60 degree, and from the same point angle of elevation of top of the pedestal is 45 degree. Then here we have to find height of the pedestal. According to the question, this is the ground level and there is a pedestal. On the top of the pedestal there is a statue. Its height is given as 1.6 meter. And here we have to find the height of the pedestal. This h we have to find. And there is a point on the ground. From this point, the angle of elevation of the top of the statue and the angle of elevation to the top of the pedestal. This is the top of the pedestal. This is the top of the statue. Okay. Here it is given that to the top of the statue it is 60 degree. So this whole angle will be 60 degree. And to the top of the pedestal that angle is given as 45 degree. Both from the same point on the ground. Okay. So here this is right angle 90 degree. Then here also we have to consider these two right triangles. So we can give the name O, A, B, C. Any name you can give. So here we have to find the value of h. So according to this right triangle OAB, this AB and this OA both are unknown. Okay. Then for this right triangle OAC, OA and h plus 1.6 both are unknown. So anyway we can write first right triangle OAB. Consider right triangle OAB first. So right triangle OAB. Theta is 45 degree. Opposite is h. Adjacent is OA. Okay. OA is common for both right triangles. So here opposite by adjacent. Opposite by adjacent is tan theta. Okay. So here opposite is h. Adjacent is OA. That is equal tan 45. What is the value of tan 45 degree? It is 1. So h equal h by OA equal 1. So h equal OA. So we can write here also as h. OA is also h. Next we can consider the right triangle OAC. OAC. So from triangle OAC, we can take opposite by adjacent itself. Opposite by adjacent is equal tan theta. Opposite by adjacent equal tan theta. Okay. Then here opposite is h plus 1.6. By adjacent is OA. That value we got as h. This is equal tan. Angle theta is given as 60 degree. So what is tan 60? Tan 60 is root 3. Tan 60 is root 3. So now h plus 1.6 equal h root 3. We can transpose. Then h root 3 minus h equal 1.6. We can write the terms with the variable h together. Then h into root 3 minus 1 equal 1.6. Our aim is to find the value of h. So h equal what? H equal 1.6 by root 3 minus 1. Here the denominator is an irrational number, so we should rationalize. So h equals 1.6 by root 3 minus 1. To rationalize this, we can multiply both the numerator and denominator by root 3 plus 1. Here root 3 minus 1, so we should multiply them by root 3 plus 1. Okay, so now this is equal 1.6 into root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1 into root 3 plus 1. This is the identity a minus b into a plus b. A minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square. But numerator has no change, root 3 plus 1 itself. 1.6 into root 3 plus 1. Then in the denominator a square minus b square. Then 1.6 into root 3 plus 1 by root 3 square is root 3 into root 3, 3. 1 square is 1. That is equal 1.6 root 3 plus 1 by 2. Now we can simplify these two. Then what we will get? 0.8 into root 3 plus 1 meter. This is h. H means what? Height of the pedestal. Height of the pedestal is equal 0.8 into root 3 plus 1 meter. Now exercise 9.1, question number 9. The angle of elevation of the top of a building from the foot of the tower is 30 degree and the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building is 60 degree. If the tower is 50 meter high, find the height of the building. Angle of elevation of the top of the building from the foot of the tower is 30 degree and angle of elevation of top of the tower from the foot of the building is 60 degree. Height of the tower is given as 50 meter and we have to find height of the building. According to the question, if this is the ground level, there is a building and a tower. Height of the tower is given as 50 meter. We can take this as tower. This is the tower and this is the building. Okay. We want to find the height of the building. So we can write it as h. Height of the tower is given as 50 meter. Okay. Then according to the question, it is given that angle of elevation of top of the building from foot of the tower. Top of the building from foot of the tower. So this angle of elevation is given as 30 degree. Angle of elevation of top of the building from foot of the tower is 30 degree. Okay, so this angle is 30 degree. Then the next part of the question is given as angle of elevation of top of the tower from the foot of the building is 60 degree. From the foot of the building to the top of the tower, this angle of elevation is 60 degree. This is 30 degree and this is 60 degree. Carefully we should draw the figure. If the figure is not given in the question, then there is mark for the correct figure with the correct measurement with the name. Okay. So then we can give the name as A, B, C, D. Now this hole is a right angle. Here this hole is a right angle. Then here we have to consider right triangle ABC and right triangle BAD. These are the two right triangles that we have to consider. Okay. So when we consider right triangle ABD or BAD, then this part is known and AB we can find. Then using AB we can find the value of H from the right triangle ABC. Okay. First we can consider right triangle BAD by using this given value 50 meter. we can find AB. Then after getting AB, we can consider right triangle ABC and find the value of H. We have to find the value of H, that means height of the building. Okay, so here first we can consider a right triangle BAD. When we consider right triangle BAD, this is the angle theta, 60 degree. The opposite side of this angle theta is 50 meter. Then adjacent side we have to find. So opposite and adjacent. So opposite by adjacent. What is the relation? Tan theta. So opposite is given as 50. Adjacent is AB. Opposite is 50. Adjacent is AB. Theta is 60 degree. So tan 60. Then we can substitute the value of tan 60. What is the value of tan 60? It is root 3. Then transpose. Then 50 equal AB into root 3. Then AB equal what? 50 by root 3. So we got the value of AB as 50 by root 3. No need to simplify that here because we have to find H. So this value we can write in the figure. So this value AB is 50 by root 3. 50 by root 3. Then what we should do? We have to consider right triangle ABC. Okay. Then from right triangle ABC, opposite we have to find, and adjacent side, that is AB, that we already got. Okay, that is equal tan theta. Then opposite is H. Adjacent we got as 50 by root 3. This is equal tan 30. Theta is 30 degree. Now we can substitute the value of tan 30. So H by 50 by root 3 equal tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Okay, H by 50 by root 3 equal 1 by root 3. Then we can do here multiplied by the reciprocal. Anyway you can simplify. Okay, so here 1 by root 3. Then H we have to find. So H equal 1 by root 3 into 50 by root 3. When we transpose, then this become numerator. Numerator become denominator. So we get 50 by root 3 into root 3 is 3. So 50 by 3 is, we can divide and find 1 3s are 3 in 20, 6 3s are 18, then point again 26, 6 etc. will get. So 16.67, or we can write it as mixed form. 50 by 3 we can divide. 1 3s are 3, 20, 6 3s are 18, then 2. Then what we will get is 16, 2 by 3. So we can write the answer as 16.67 meter or 16 2 by 3 meter as mixed form. This is decimal form, this is mixed form. Okay, so 16.67 meter or 16 2 by 3 meter. Anyway you can express. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.